Hello friends. In the last lecture, we discussed about the syllabus of first year FYBA. In this lecture, we are going to learn the short story of R.K. Narayan, Engine Trouble. Friends, we know in this year we learned the three prose in the first semester. The first prose is Engine Trouble. The writer of Engine Trouble is R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan, who is a very famous, honorable Indian English writer. First of all, you have to understand Indian English writer. He is born in Madras. Nowadays, it is called the Chennai. Therefore, the mentioned name is Indian. And then we call English writer. It means that he write his literature in English language. So therefore, he is renowned Indian English writer. The full name of R.K. Narayan is Rassipuram Kansaswamy Iyer Narayan Swamy, and the short form are well known R.K. Narayan. He was born in 1906 in Chennai and died in 2001. He is one leading figure of early Indian literature in English. He is famous for Swami and Friends. If you ask your father or grandfather or grandmother or mother, that one sound which is echoing in their minds, in their ear, that is ta na ni na 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 re. The serial was broadcasted by on Doordarshan in the 19th century or 19th decade, I can say. And this serial was based on the collection of a short story of R.K. Narayan, that is Swami and Friends. It is also known Malgudi Days. Remember, the contribution of R.K. Narayan is he established a fictitious town, because all his stories are based or surrounded in the Malgudi, that is a fictitious town. Fictitious means kalpanik, imaginative. Therefore, through his pen, he depicts the various characters, various events, various situations occur in the town. That was a very suburban area, fictional town in southern India. Okay, because he also belongs from the southern India. Therefore, it depicts the Malgudi, which is the one fictional town from southern India. Now, he almost write 10 novels. Some novels you maybe know. One is The Guide. The cinema was depicted in this novel, directed by and acted by Devanand and all the co-actors. The second novel is The Financial Expert, Mr. Sampath, The Dark Room, The English Teacher, A Tiger for Malgudi and etc. These are the names of his novels. He contributed to Indian English literature. He became a pioneer in short story writing, because the all American short story writer Faulkner and so all are called him the master storyteller. R.K. Narayan was honored by Sahitya Academy Award, Padma Vibhushan by the government of India. He also get the honor from Royal Society of Literature, and he honored A.C. Benson Medal. Okay, and he got lots of awards and honors for his writing and contribution in Indian English literature. Now, friends, today we are going to learn one of his short story, Engine Trouble, from his collection of a short story, The Set Town, Malgudi, there. Now on screen you can be see one person, a guy, who is the narrator of our story. He faced various problems, such as the common man faces in their lives, and which kind of the problems, which kind of the situation he has faced during the what he want to do during his life, during this one kind of the act. We are going to learn what problem he faced. Let's look. Now you can be see that he faced luck. Sometimes we, the common person, or everybody, maybe depend on luck, but sometimes lucks become misfortune, and it creates trouble in our life. But man can we get hope and the solution from this trouble. The title of the short story, Engine plus Trouble. That is the one kind of the trouble is happening with that common person man. Common man, the narrator of our story, the protagonist of our story. And what happens with him, we are going to learn. Before going to learn the short story, I would like to unfold, I would like to reveal one literary aspects which is revealed, which is learned through the opening of this short story. Which kind of the literary aspects is there, we are going to learn. You may have the questions that what is mean the narrator, because the picture of our hero, of our protagonist, is a narrator. He is not the writer of our short story. Okay, therefore we will discuss here about who is narrator and to whom we call narrator. So therefore there is a question, who is the narrator in our short story? The narrator is talkative man. No man is mentioned in that story of that narrator. No name is mentioned in that story of our protagonist, of our hero. So therefore we have to understand who is the narrator. So now in this slide I am going to teach you and makes the difference between the writer and the narrator. Writer is write the short story. Okay. And narrator is who tells the story. जो कथा सांगतो तो नॅरेटर, आणि जो कथा लिहितो हू राइट्स द स्टोरी तो रायटर. So now I am going to show you one image. I know that you don't know who is he, कौन है. He is a Koduri. He is the writer of the famous film. You may know the film, but you don't know the writer of this film. He is a Koduri. And he is the writer here, and he is the narrator. Sorry, he is the writer of that story, that films. Now you can got who may be the narrator of this movie. The movie is Bahubali. You can see the image here, the Bahubali. And you know who is the writer now, Koduri. And who tells the story? Narrator. And who is the narrator in Bahubali? Katappa. If you seen the opening scene of Bahubali, the beginning, you hear the voice of Katappa. He tells the story of Bahubali and so on. So narrator is Katappa and writer is Koduri. Like that, in that short story, the narrator is Poketu Man and the writer is R.K. Narayan. I think that it is enough for this lecture. I will discuss the short story thereafter. Thank you very much.